Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Word to PDF in mobile. It's pretty easy. Just follow the steps I'm going to show you. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. As we want to convert our Word file into a PDF file, so just head over to your Chrome browser. Then search for I love PDF. This website allows us to convert various types of things that we need in our day-to-day life. Just click on it. And as you want to convert your Word file to PDF, we will search for Word to PDF. And as you can see, there is an option Word to PDF here. You can make a doc and docx files easy to read by converting them to PDF. So click on it. Here they will give you an option to select your Word file. You just have to click on it, and they will give you an option to browse your phone so that you can select your Word file. Then you have to input that, and it will convert your Word file into PDF in seconds. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video.